Good morning, students. Yesterday I gave a worksheet. Okay. Now I will explain the worksheet key. In the first one, the SI unit of electric current in SI system. SI system is, what is the answer? The SI unit of electric current is coulomb per seconds or ampere Next one, second one, an electric cell converts an electric cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Chemical energy into electrical energy. Third one, 1 nano ampere equal to dash ampere. 1 nano ampere equal to 10 power minus 9 amperes. 10 power minus 9 amperes. Next, 1 ampere equal to dash microamperes. 1 ampere equal to dash microamperes. Writing here, 1 microampere equal to 10 power minus 6 amperes. Our aim is to find the 1 ampere equal to how many microamperes. From this we can write here 1 ampere equal to 1 microampere by 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6, that equal to 10 power 6 microampere. So 1 ampere equal to how much amount? 10 power plus 6 microamperes. 1 A equal to 10 power 6 mu A. 10 power minus 6 mu A. Okay. Next one, fifth one, the rate of flow of charge is called electric current. The rate of flow of charge is called electric current. The rate of flow of charge. The rate of flow of charge. The rate of flow of charge is called the rate of flow of charge is called electric current. Electric current. The rate of flow of charge is called electric current. Okay, next one, sixth one. A body is said to be have 1 coulomb charge if it exceeds or deficit of dash electrons, that equal to how much amount? How much? That equal to 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. 10 power 18 electrons. Okay. Next question number 7th one. If a current of 1 ampere flowing through a circuit for 1 hour, sorry, 1 minute, then charge flowing through the conductor is. Here I is given, I equal to 1/8 and T is given, that equal to 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Then find the charge. Q equal to how much? Q equal to how much? We know that I equal to Q by T. From this we can write here Q equal to I into T. I into T. The I equal to 1, T equal to 60 seconds, that equal to 60. See, so Q equal to charge equal to how much? Q equal to 60 coulombs. 60 coulombs. Okay. Next, when 1 coulomb charge flowing through a conductor in 1 second, the current flowing through the conductor is. The current flowing through the conductor is. Okay. Here 8th one. 1 coulomb charge. Here Q equal to 1 side and T equal to 1 second. Then find the I equal to how much? So I equal to Q by T. It is the equation for the to find the electric current. So I equal to Q, that equal to 1C by 1 second, that equal to 1 coulomb per seconds, or therefore I equal to 1 ampere or 1 coulomb per seconds. It is called 1 ampere, that equal to 1 ampere. Next one, what is the relationship between the I, Q, T? So relation between 9th one, the relation between I, Q and T is I equal to Q by T or Q equal to I into T or T equal to Q by I. Okay, it is the relation between electric current, charge and time. Next one, 1 milliampere equal to dash amperes. 1 milliampere equal to 1 milliampere equal to 1 milliampere equal to 10 power minus 3 amperes. 1 micro, 11th one, 1 microampere. 1 microampere equal to 10 power minus 6 amperes. 12th one, options are random. 1 kilo ampere equal to 10 power plus 3 amperes. Here minus is given, that is plus sum. 10 power plus 3 amperes. 1 mega ampere equal to 13th one. 1 mega ampere. Mega ampere. 1 mega ampere equal to 1 mega ampere equal to 10 power 6 ampere. 10 power 6 ampere. Next one, 14th one. One charge. The charge on one electron equal to the charge on one electron. One electron is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. That is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 6. 10 power minus 19 6. Okay. Next, 15th one. A steady current of 0.58 flowing through a wire. The charge passing through the wire in 1 minute is. So here A is given. A equal to here 0.5. 15. I equal to 0.58. Next, time is given. Time equal to here 1 minute. Time equal to 1 minute. That is equal to 60 seconds. T equal to 60 seconds. Then find the charge. Then find Q equal to how much? Then find Q equal to how much? So here I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. Therefore Q equal to I into T. Q equal to I into T. Okay, that equal to I equal to how much here? 0.5 into T equal to 60 seconds. So 0.5 into 60, we can write here 5 into 6, that equal to 36. Q equal to here 36. Q equal to how much man? 36. Okay. Next 16th one. If the charge flowing through a wire in 360 coulombs per minute, then the amount of current in the circuit is 16th one. Here charge is given. Q equal to 360 coulombs. 360 coulombs per minute. T equal to 1 minute. That equal to 60 seconds. that equal to 60 seconds. Then find the I. I equal to how much? So we know that the amount of charge passing through the conductor for unit time is called electric current. So I equal to here Q by T. Therefore Q equal to 360 C by time equal to 60 seconds. 0 0 cancel here. 6 1 so 6 6. So I equal to 6 coulomb per seconds. 6 coulomb per seconds. 6 coulomb per seconds. Okay. Now 17th one. How much current there will be a circuit if 100 coulombs flowing fast in a point in a circuit in 4 seconds. In 4 seconds. Or in which to find the electric current again same formula, but here Q is given. Q equal to 100 say T equal to 4 seconds. T equal to here 4 seconds. Then find the I equal to how much? Same formula. So I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. So Q equal to here 100 by time equal to 4 seconds. By time equal to 4 seconds. 4 once here 425. So I equal to 25 coulomb per seconds. I equal to 25 coulomb per seconds. Next 18th one. 18th one. If 6 into 10 power 6 17 electrons cross through an area per unit of the electric current is 18th one. If 6 into 10 power 17 electrons cross through an area per minute, the electric current is. So what are the given values? So your number of electrons is given. Number of electrons that equal to 6 into that equal to 6 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 17. Time equal to 60 seconds. Time equal to 60 seconds. Then find the electric current. So here n is given. Number of electrons n equal to 6 into 10 power 17. Next time is given. T equal to 1 minute. That equal to 60 seconds. That equal to 60 seconds. Then find the I means electric current equal to I equal to how much? We know that I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. But here Q equal to N into E. So E means here the charge on one electron equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 C. It is the E value. So if charge of electron equal to charge of electron equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So here I equal to, we can write here I equal to m e by t. So what is n value here? N equal to 6 into 10 power 17 into E equal to charge of electron equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 by time, that equal to 60 seconds. That equal to 60 seconds. It is I value. Okay. Okay, ma. Here we can write here I equal to 6 into, we can write like this, 1.6 into 10 power 17 into 10 power minus 19 by 60. Okay, that equal to 6 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 2 by 60. Okay, here 6 ones here, 6 tens, that equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 2 by 10. We can write here 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. It is the I value. Or we can write like this also, 10 power minus 3 minus 3 ampere equal to 1 milliampere. That equal to electric current I equal to 1.6 milliampere. I equal to 1.6 milliampere, because of 10 power minus 3, 10 power, I am writing 10 power minus 3 ampere equal to 1 milliampere. That is the result. So 10 power minus 3 ampere equal to 10 power minus 3 ampere equal to 1 milliampere. It is the 18th one. Okay, next one, 19th one. When 900 C of charge passes through a wire in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The current is in the wire is, okay ma? Okay, next what are the given answers here for this question? What are the given answers? So charge is given, charge Q equal to 900 C. Next time equal to 10 minutes. Time equal to 10 minutes. So here time convert into seconds. 10 into 60 seconds, that equal to 600 seconds. T equal to here 600 seconds. Okay, so here I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T, that equal to 900 by 600 coulomb per seconds. 0 0 get cancelled. 9 by 6, that equal to 9 by 6. 3 3s here, 3 2. So here I equal to 3 by 2 amperes, or we can write here 1.5 ampere also. 1.5 amperes are 1.5 coulomb per seconds. 1.5 coulomb per seconds. Okay, next one. Okay, an electron emits 2 into 10 power 16 electrons per second. This corresponds to electric current of. Okay, so here n is given. N equal to how many electrons? 2 into 10 power 16 electrons per second. T equal to 1 second. Next we know that charge of an electron equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 C. Okay, so we know that I equal to Q by T. I equal to Q by T. But Q equal to here N into E. The place of Q we can write here N into E. Therefore I equal to N into E by T. That equal number of electrons how many? 2 into 10 power 16 into E, that equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 by 1 by 1, that equal 2 into 1.6, that equal to 3.2 into 10 power 16 into 10 power minus 19, that equal to 10 power minus 3 amperes. It is the I value. I equal to, listen once again. Here number of electrons is given. N equal to 2 into 10 power minus 16. Next T is given, that equal to 1 second. Charge of 1 electron equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 C. So our aim is from this data, our aim is to find the electric current I equal to. So I equal to the amount of charge passing through the conductor per unit time is called electric current. So I equal to Q by T. But here electrons, number of electrons is given. So here Q equal to, you know that N into charge of an electrons. N means here number of electrons. E means charge of 1 electron. Charge on a 1 electron. That equal to I equal to Ne by T. So N equal to 2 into 10 power minus 16 into E, that equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 by 1 by 1 equal to by 1. So here 2 into 1.6 that equal to I equal to how much? 3.2 into 10 power 16 into 10 power minus 19. 10 power 16 into 10 power minus 19, that equal to 3.2 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. We can write 3.2 milliampere also. So electric current equal to 3.2 milliamperes also. Okay, thank you. Remaining problems tomorrow I will explain.